In this tutorial, I will teach you this type of animation. So watch completely and try to learn it. Okay, let us start working on this presentation. Today, today I am going to tell you about the animation in PowerPoint using the graphics only. Okay, so let us do the background black color. Go to the design tab. Go to the design tab. Then after you can choose any dark background. You can also make the background from this option, format background. So let us do solid fill and the color black color. Okay, this one black color I am giving. Okay, after that go to the home tab, do this layout, click on this layout and make it blank. So that title and subtitle will go. Go to the insert tab. There is option called shapes. Select the sun shape, this one. Okay, sun shape you have to select. Shapes, then sun. Just draw it. Using this shape fill, you can also do this type of color combinations. Okay. After that, what you have to do, you have to make copy of it. You have to make copy of it. So how will you make the copy of it? You can press Control key on the keyboard and hold it. And then after using mouse, click and drag in this way. Click and drag. Click and drag. And control key it should be pressed. Then only it can be done copied. So how fastly I have done the copy of this is suns. Okay. Let us see how to give the animation to it. Using first select it, then go to the animation tab, give the animation, add animation option. So this is the entrance effect. First we have to give the entrance effect. First we have to give the entrance effect, then we will give the emphasis. Entrance effect you can give anyway, any entrance effect. But the emphasis effect we will give spin. Okay. Let us see how to do it. Go to add animation. Let me give this bounce effect. So now see the bounce effect. Similarly, select the next star, give the add animation option, fly in, then the third star, add animation, zoom, select the fourth star, add animation, grow and turn, select the fifth star, give the add animation, wipe. So in this way, I have given the entrance effect to all this all these suns. Okay. Now what you have to do, we have to give the emphasis effect. Okay. Select any again, select this shape, add animation. Now emphasis, we have to give this option. Which option? Spin. This one. Spin. And this spin, I want that it will continue till the end of this presentation. So for that, we have to select this animation pane. We have to open the animation pane. Now animation pane is coming. Now these are the effects. Okay. You can see here, these are the effects. When we give the animation effects emphasis, there is one of just drop down button. Click here and go to the timing option. In the timing option, we have to repeat this until the end of slide. So this spinning process, it will be continuous till the end of this slide. Okay, until end of slide. Click on OK. OK. Right. I think it is clear to you. Now, again select the second shape, go to the add animation, give the spin. So this is for the second one. Now this is the, here we have to give the animation. Again select this type timing. Here repeat option is there. Just do it until end of slide. And one more setting we have to do it. Okay. What setting we have to do? Start. How it will start? So it will start with the previous. So spinning process, both this shape will start together. So start with previous setting. This setting we have to do it. Click on OK, right? In this way. Similar we have to do for the third sun. Select this again. Go to the add animation option. Spin. After that, again select this and set the timing. In timing, repeat we have to do until end of slide and start with previous. Start with previous. Okay. Just the same setting you have to do for the fourth one also. Spin, go to the timing section, repeat until end of slide and with previous. Okay. Then the last star also you have to give the same animation, spin, do it timing, repeat it until end of slide and start with the previous. Now click on OK. So all the stars will start spinning together. Now the third effect. Using this graphics presentation, I will explain you all the four type of animation, that is entrance, emphasis, exit and motion path. Let us start with now motion path. Select this object, add animation, then there is option called motion path. This is called as motion path. Then there is given custom path. Select this custom path. Now any path you decide it in this way, any path, okay, and again join where from where you have started. So see this path is, and what setting you have to do in this, again go to here, just do the timing, repeat this option also until end of slide. Until end of slide you have to repeat this. Okay, so this process will be continuing. After giving this, you have to select the next sun also, this sun. Again go to add animation, just scroll down, motion path you have to come custom path. So just give here different style of motion, just like I have given in this way, like this. So this have the different moving. The same setting we have to do it for this animation also. Go to the timing option, repeat it until end of slide and start with the previous. Start with previous means both the objects will move together. Now the next one, third star, go to add animation, select the motion path again, custom path. Now this is the different style I want. Suppose this is flying way in this way. So you can see here, when you don't find the start position, just double click it. When you double click, it will come. The same setting we have to do it for this sun also. Go to the timing section, repeat until end of slide and start with previous. Okay. Now the last, this fourth star also, add animation, custom path. This I want only this movement. Double click here. So in this way, you have to give all the settings, timing, repeat it until end of slide and start with the previous. Now we only left with the last sun. Again go to add animation, give the here motion path, custom path. Let this star round only. This way only it will move for some time. Okay, now at the middle just double click it. So you can see the effects. Okay, here also the setting I am giving same timing, repeat until end of slide and start with previous. Fine, click on OK. You can make it slow speed and all different type of speed it is also given. Anna, here it is speed given 2 seconds medium, 3 seconds slow, but let it by default medium for learning purpose. Okay, now I'm going to, so here are the option for the mouse click and the automatically. Okay, so first let us see on mouse click only how it will work. Click on out on mouse click and apply to all. Let us start our slideshow from beginning only. Now see, when I click, the first sun came, second click, third click, fourth click. See, all the entrance effects came. Now see, spinning. All the sun have started spinning together. Okay. Now when I click again, all the motion effect will start together. And it will be continued till the end of this presentation. You have seen that, which means how beautiful animation we can create in PowerPoint. Okay. So this is all about this type of presentation.